Show you a little bit about how to use this Excel spreadsheet for calculating. It's already been done for you. I'll just go through it as if you don't know much about Excel, but basically it's divided in two different calculators. One is per linear metre, the other calculator there is per square metre. So per square metre generally applies to boards or sheets of stuff. Linear metre is lengths of material, so 42 by 19 pine, for example. So for our calculator, what we've got to look at is the orthogonal drawing that we're getting all of our information from. So in this case, I've got my orthogonal projection, my top view, front view, just move that out the way a little bit, top view, front view, end view, and I've got all the sizes on it as well, so all my dimensions. So for this example, I'm going to start to look at the moulding on the top, look at what kind of size material it will be approximately, and approximately how much I'm going to need, including cuts and bits and pieces. So if I go to my per linear metre, I've got top moulding here, there's the example, a bit of 42 by 19. I'm going to need one piece, sometimes I say two pieces depending on if they're matching sides, and an overall length of 110 millimetres. And where I've got that from is, if you look at the top moulding there, I've got 650, so 650 one length plus 200 plus 200, so it's a bit over a metre plus cuts, let's call it 1,100 millimetres. So what you do is enter the name of the part so you don't get lost. If you reference that cell, notice it just says top moulding. We reference this cell, so cell C9, it just says pine, so there's no calculation in there. Same with this one, same with this one, but this one, as soon as you see this cell reference equals sign, that means there's a calculation in there. And in this case, it says sum, so add up, cell D9, so where's D9? D9, so number of lengths, D9 multiplied by E9, so length top divided by 1,000 gives us our total amount in metres. So I've converted millimetres basically to metres. So if I put two lengths in there, obviously it'd double it. One length. Then you see cost per linear metre. That comes from a catalogue. So I've got Timber for Schools catalogue. Just bring that over so you can see. This is 42 by 19. And here, 42.19 dollars per metre is $3.19 for 42 by 19. So if I put that, make sure I put that value, $3.19 in this case, $3.19 per metre, so $3.19 per metre, oops, wrong one, $3, so there's no calculation here, $3 per metre, $3.19 per linear metre, therefore the total cost, it already adds it up, is $3.51. So that's for things like lengths of wood. Obviously when we have a look at our project, there's some skirting board which is bigger, and we've got manufactured board, so our sheets of chipboard veneer. So once we've added up all of our solid wood bits, then we can go to per square metre, which works out all of our manufactured board. So in this case here, we've got two sides. I'll just bring this over again. Two sides and a top and a bottom. The sides are, we expand that, 400, so two 400s in length by 200, and we've got two 650s by 200, so two of 650 by 200, so for the top and the bottom. So that's why I put in that top, the number of parts. So this where it goes to the case. So I've identified what we've got here. We've got pine veneer, particle board, two pieces, it's 18mm thick, you don't need it, of 200 by 400. So this one here works out how many square metres of the sheet that you're going to use, so 0.16. So if we look at that, shows the calculation to get 0.16, does it for you. Cost per sheet, so this is how much a full 2400 by 1200 sheet costs, and then it works out, so 2400 by 1200, it works out the 2400 by 1200 sheet is 2.88 millimetres per square millimetre, so that works out, those two lengths there work out at $5.18. So if we were to do the top and the bottom, so this doesn't add anything, so width is 200, so just trying to work out square metres, and that was 650, and there are two of them. Automatically it starts calculating how much we need. So same thing here, Control C, cost per sheet, B, Control C, V. Those two bits there of the top and the bottom work out to $8.41. So already we spent $13.59 just to do the top and the bottom outer particle board. Then of course we might have some shelves, but that's pretty much it, how you use Excel.